So what I want to do is I want to take you into my Teachable and just show you what, okay. So this is $270,000. Okay. I mean, this is all you right there. It's entirely you. And then I wanted to show you, like, even.
That makes me so happy.
What's that?
That makes me so happy.
Yeah, well, if you look at this and like you can see, like, right here is my trading, the IGTS that we worked on. Now, last month, what I did is I put another. If I look at my courses here, I did this short selling boot camp, and you can see that 4771. That was 3 weeks.
Okay.
So this, and again, I just did exactly what you told me to do. I used that little email sequence.
Yeah.
Because I hadn't emailed people on. That was in 3 weeks. So if I go back and you look at what, like, it's kind of interesting because I don't know if you have this type of success with other people.
Yeah.
If you use this as a testimonial, all you got to tell people is, look, you just follow the bouncing ball. You take them through all this stuff. You even give them the tools to use. You put them on Teachable. All they got to do is follow through, and this can happen.
So you were one of the first people that the idea of take what you have and sell it as a workshop instead of turning it into a course was like, that started this whole thing that I'm doing workshops on, which I tell people, don't create courses because you don't even know if it's going to sell. And we're like taking the model that the very first person I did was with you, even not with myself, where you just take it, turn it into a workshop. If it sells, then record it and then sell it as a course, because it's just so much faster to get there than.
You're absolutely right. And that's exactly what we did, because IGTS was a workshop.
Yes.
That I filmed it, I created it. It took me a couple of hours each week to do the next segment, did it live, was making, that first month I made like 12 grand. And then that went on for a year, and then hell, I couldn't get rid of them. I'd work with you any day of the week and twice on Sunday.
That's very sweet.
No, I would. Because you just like, you got to know what you did for me here, and it just came at a time that
so happy, honestly.
I needed it.
I'm so happy to hear.
I did. I needed. It gave me something that I could do, and
with amazing results, obviously.
Yeah, it has. I've done all kinds of stuff with it. I've been able to help people with the money I've made and do things that because there's something about internet income. It's like YouTube money, you can just blow it.
I agree.
I don't know. It really is kind of an easy come, easy go kind of thing, Yeah. No one, I work, but I don't think a lot of people make a buck easier than I do.